Yes sir, rise and grind, ladies and gentlemen. Man, I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King, and we got this morning a 2012 Volkswagen Tiguan. Got a spark plug replacement we're doing, and I'm already done jumped on. It's gonna be a quick video. Push these tabs back, unlock these harness connectors, and then you can just pull up on the coil packs and get those out, and then we're gonna work on the spark plugs. Alright, that's all our coil packs. Look like one has been replaced already. That's a brand new one. Got a lot of oil leaking, valve cover gaskets all around in here. So if you ever notice oil on the top side of your motor and it's around it, it could be leaking on the exhaust, leaking down all at the bottom. So basically that's the valve cover gaskets. Using a 5/8 ratchet or a socket with the extension on it and the ratchet, get those plugs out. Alright, we got them out. Old one and the new ones, part number. Alright, before we go in, you want to make sure you add anti-seize to the threads of the spark plug. Avoid the tip. Spark plugs back in. Install your coil packs. And just like that, spark plugs are complete. And that's going to be it for this video. Till next time, the Pull-Up King. Alright, erase the check engine light, and these are still pending. So hopefully the coil packs, we're going to check the coil packs.